Sealed Unit Repairs Ltd are a specialist glazing company based in Milton Keynes. We carry out repairs to all types of glazing, replacement locks, handles and hinges. We also supply and fit new windows, doors and conservatories for those rare occasions that repairs are not possible. If your conservatory roof has seen better days, we can replace this with a lightweight tiled roof system, restoring your conservatory at a fraction of the full replacement cost. All our work carries a full 5-year guarantee. For more information, advice or a free quote, please visit our website or call for a chat.